Before we close our eyes, I have one small favor to ask. If this meditation helps you sleep tonight, would you tap subscribe so I am here waiting for you tomorrow night? And if you know someone who lies awake with a racing mind, would you share this episode with them? That is all. Now, put your phone face down, close your eyes, and give the next 15 minutes to yourself. Tonight, I am not going to teach you anything. Tonight, I am going to help you fall asleep, not with force, not with tricks, not by telling you to stop thinking. Your mind has been told to stop thinking all day. It is tired of being told what to do. Tonight, I am simply going to talk to you, slowly, gently, until your body remembers what rest feels like, until your mind forgets it was worried, until the distance between awake and asleep becomes so small that you cross it without noticing. You do not need to try to sleep. Trying to sleep is like trying to catch water with your fist. The harder you grip, the more it slips through. Instead, I want you to let sleep come to you, like a cat that only sits on your lap when you stop reaching for it. Stop reaching, be still, and let it come. You are lying in your bed. The room is dark, the day is over, and nothing, absolutely nothing, needs you right now. Not your children, not your work, not the dishes in the sink, not the message you forgot to reply to, not the problem you could not solve today. None of it needs you in this moment. It will all be there tomorrow. But right now, for the next 15 minutes, the world can wait, and you can rest. I am going to stay with you until you fall asleep. My voice will get softer as we go, slower, quieter, like a candle dimming, until there is only warmth and dark and peace. Let's begin with your breath. Breathe in through your nose, slowly, for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it gently, not tight, just a pause at the top, like resting on a hilltop before walking down. 1, 2, 3. Now breathe out through your mouth, slowly, for 7 counts. Let the air leave like warm smoke drifting from a chimney. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That long exhale is the most important part. It tells your nervous system that you are safe, that there is no danger, that the body can let go. Again. In. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the air filling you from the bottom up. Your belly first, then your chest, then the very top of your lungs. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Just resting. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel your body getting heavier with each number, sinking slightly deeper into the bed. One more time. The slowest one. In. Feel the cool air entering your nose. Feel it traveling down. Feel every part of your body receiving this breath like a gift. Hold. In this moment, nothing exists except this pause. No yesterday, no tomorrow, just the top of the breath, just here. Out. Let everything go. Your jaw loosens. Your shoulders melt. Your hands uncurl. Your whole body says, "Thank you. I can rest now." Good. From now on, breathe at your own pace. Slowly, naturally, like the rhythm of waves on a shore you cannot see but can feel, each breath a little slower than the last, each exhale a little longer. Your body knows how to do this. It has been waiting all day for you to let it. Notice how different your body feels after just 3 breaths. Your heart is slower. Your hands are warmer. Something inside you has started to soften, not because you did anything special, but because you stopped doing everything else. That is the secret of sleep. You do not achieve it. You allow it. I want you to imagine that your body is made of soft wax, and a gentle warmth is moving through you, melting every part slowly, starting from the top of your head, moving downward, like warm honey spreading through your body. The warmth reaches your forehead. Feel the skin smooth out, every line of worry dissolving, every crease of stress melting flat. Your forehead becomes wide and soft and open, like a calm lake with no ripples. The warmth moves to your eyes. Your eyelids become heavy, so heavy, like they are made of velvet, thick, dark, warm velvet that presses gently against your eyes. You could not open them now even if you wanted to, and you do not want to. The darkness behind your eyelids is safe and soft and welcoming. The warmth reaches your jaw. Your mouth opens slightly, your teeth part. The muscles that have been clenching all day finally release. Feel the relief. Feel how much energy it takes to hold your jaw shut. And feel how good it feels to let it go completely. The warmth spreads to your neck, your throat, the place where you swallow the words you do not say, the place where stress lives in a tight, invisible band. The warmth melts that band. Your neck becomes long and soft and free. Your shoulders, feel them drop away from your ears, not an inch, 3 inches. Feel the space that opens. Your shoulders have been holding up the sky all day. They can put it down now. The sky will hold itself tonight. Your arms become heavy, so heavy they press into the mattress. Your elbows, your wrists, your hands, your fingers uncurl one by one. Your palms face the ceiling, open, empty, holding nothing, needing nothing. The warmth moves through your chest. Feel your heartbeat, slow and steady, like a drum in a distant forest. Not urgent, not fast, just a gentle rhythm that says, I am here, I am alive, I am safe. Your chest rises and falls, like a boat rocking on the gentlest water. Let it rock you. Let the rhythm of your own breathing become a lullaby. Your belly softens. The knot you have been carrying all day unties itself, not with effort, with warmth. The worry that lived there, the tightness that gripped you during that meeting, that message, that moment, it all melts and drains downward, out of your body, into the mattress, into the earth beneath you. The earth can hold it. The earth has been holding heavy things for billions of years. Let it hold yours tonight. Your lower back releases. The ache that has been sitting there for hours lets go. Like a fist unclenching in slow motion, your spine sinks into the bed, supported, held, carried by something softer than you. The warmth flows into your thighs, heavy, warm, impossible to lift, into your knees, your calves, your ankles, every muscle giving up, not in defeat, in trust. And finally, your feet, the soles of your feet, the parts that carried you all day, through every step, every task, every moment. Feel the warmth reach them last. Feel them tingle slightly, then soften, then rest. Your entire body is melted now, heavy and warm and still. Not a single muscle is working. Not a single part of you is holding on. You are not a body anymore. You are warmth, lying in the dark. Now I want to take you somewhere. Imagine a beach, a quiet beach at night. The sky is dark blue. The stars are beginning to appear, one by one, like tiny lights being turned on by someone very patient. You are lying on the sand. The sand is warm, not hot, just perfectly, deeply, comfortingly warm, the kind of warm that hugs your body from underneath, and you are sinking into it. Slowly, the warm sand is forming around your body, around your legs, around your hips, around your back, around your shoulders. It holds you like a mold, like the sand was made for your exact shape. Every curve of your body fits perfectly into the earth beneath you. You feel the warmth of the sand against your back, against your legs, against your arms. The warmth seeps into your muscles, into your bones, into the tired places that have been aching all day. The sand heats them gently, not fixing them, just holding them. The way warm hands hold cold fingers, patiently, until the cold goes away on its own. You are not falling. You are being held by the ground, by the warmth, by the night itself, by the same earth that has held sleeping bodies since the first human closed their eyes and trusted the dark. Above you, the stars are multiplying. First 5, then 20, then 100, then so many you cannot count. The sky is filled with light. Soft, distant, gentle light that asks nothing of you. Each star is a moment from today that was good. You did not notice them during the day because you were too busy, but they were there. The warm cup you held, the smile someone gave you, the breath you took when no one was watching. Each one is a star now, shining above you, quietly, while you rest. The stars do not need you to be strong. They do not need you to solve anything. They just shine. Feel how small you are beneath this sky. Not small in a bad way, small in the way that makes everything feel less heavy. Your problems are small beneath the stars. Your worries are small. Your fears are small. Everything that felt enormous today is now just a tiny grain of sand beneath a sky full of light. And the stars are pulling you deeper, into sleep, into quiet, into the warm, soft, endless dark that lives behind your eyelids. Now the sand becomes water, warm water, still water, a lake with no waves, no current, no wind. You are floating on your back, your arms spread gently to the sides, your hair drifting around your head like seaweed, your body perfectly balanced between the water below and the sky above. You are weightless. For the first time today, you weigh nothing. Nothing is pulling you down. Nothing is pushing you forward. Nothing is holding you back. You are just floating between the water and the stars, between the day that is over and the dream that is about to begin. The water supports every part of you. You do not need to hold yourself up. You do not need to kick. You do not need to swim. The water does the work. The water has always known how to hold you. You just never let it before. Let it hold you now. Feel your body rocking gently, side to side, so slightly you almost do not notice, like being rocked to sleep by something ancient and kind. Something that has been rocking people to sleep since the beginning of time. Your mother rocked you like this when you were a baby, and her mother rocked her, and now the water is rocking you. The oldest lullaby in the world. No words, just motion, just warmth, just holding. The stars above you are blurring now, softening, merging into one warm golden glow. The edges of the world are dissolving. The boundaries between your body and the water are disappearing. You do not know where you end and the water begins. And that is okay. You do not need edges tonight. You do not need boundaries. You do not need to know where you end. You do not need to hold your shape. You can be formless, weightless, dissolved into warmth and dark and quiet. You just need to float. And you are floating. And the floating is becoming sleep. And sleep is becoming a dream. And the dream is soft and warm and yours. I am going to get very quiet now. And in the silence, I want you to hear just a few last words, whispered from me to you, like a mother whispering to a child who is almost asleep. You did enough today. Whatever you did, however much, it was enough. You do not need to do one more thing. You do not need to solve one more problem. You do not need to be one more thing for one more person. You are done. The day is closed. The letter is sealed. The lights are off. The people you love are okay. They are sleeping too, or they are on their way to sleep. And they do not need you to worry about them tonight. They are held the way you are held right now, by the dark, by the quiet, by the warmth. And you are safe in this bed, in this room, in this body that has carried you through another day without complaint. Tomorrow will come gently, like it always does, and you will be ready for it, because tonight you rested, really rested, deeply, softly, the way you were always meant to. Sleep now, my friend. I am right here. I am not going anywhere. Good night.